Community policing. The point is built into the name, to get police out into the community, especially at outreach events. Well, the pandemic last year made that near impossible. News 8's Allie Peters reports on the potential impact of that pause.
Community policing can be as simple as getting police officers out into the streets and interacting with community members. But the pandemic has put a lot of that on hold, and community members say they're feeling the impact. During a typical year, the Rochester Police Department says they have hundreds of community outreach events. But this wasn't a typical year.
You know, last year, just about all of our community events, our outreaches, our TIPS events, most of our meetings, all those things were canceled last year, postponed due to the COVID restrictions.
During this pandemic, Monroe County has seen an uptick in crime, and community members say getting police into neighborhoods is more important than ever.
We need hand-on-hand policing, you know, walking the streets, walking on the neighborhoods, engaging with residents, engaging with businesses, because they're going to learn more information what's going on when they do that.
Whether it's coffee with a cop, having cookouts, or just getting out and shaking hands, community members say building relationships helps build trust.
And also have people that are in the community, maybe someone sitting on their porch, and, you know, strike up a conversation with them. Let them know a little bit more about you.
The deaths of Daniel Prude, George Floyd, and others have led to protests around the city during the pandemic. And the Rochester Police Department says they're working to make community members feel heard.
We want to make sure that everybody has a voice, and we want to make sure that we're working with all the different groups to make sure that everybody feels like their voice is being heard.
Now, there is some good news. Rochester Police says before the pandemic, they were doing like 400 to 500 events a year, and they do plan to start up those events again this summer. Live in Rochester, Allie Peters, News 8.